This video is intended only to supplement the written installation instructions that accompanied your product, not to replace those installation instructions. The written installation instructions should be read and available to you before you attempt to install the product. Warning: excessive weight hazard. Use 2 or more people to move and install washer-dryer. Failure to do so can result in back or other injury.
How to connect the water hose to your steam dryer. Make sure the cold water faucet is turned off. Start by disconnecting the cold water inlet hose from the faucet port. Remove the old rubber washer from the inlet hose and replace it with a new washer. Insert new rubber washers on both ends of the provided 2-foot inlet hose. Thread the 2-foot inlet hose onto the cold faucet port by hand until snug. Thread the opposite end of the inlet hose onto the short end of the Y connector. Using pliers, tighten the couplings an additional 2/3 turn, but avoid over-tightening. Thread the washer inlet hose onto one end of the Y connector ports. Thread the new hose onto the remaining Y connector port. Use pliers to tighten the couplings an additional 2/3 turn. Remove the protective cap from the fill valve on the upper rear panel of the dryer. Thread the inlet hose onto the valve and tighten an additional 2/3 turn with pliers. Turn the cold water faucet back on and check for leaks all around the hose fittings. Next, attach the vent to the exhaust outlet of the dryer. Use a 4-inch clamp to secure. Move the dryer to its final location, making sure not to crush or kink the vent. Check to see if the dryer is level from side to side and front to back. If you need to make adjustments, prop the dryer up and support the appliance with a wood block. Adjust the dryer feet with an adjustable wrench, clockwise to lower feet or counterclockwise to raise feet. Confirm that the dryer is level. Be sure all 4 legs are in contact with the floor and the dryer does not rock.